All right, so let's start this question. The question is like, let k be the largest integer such that the equation x minus 1 whole square plus 2xk plus 11 equal to 0 has no real roots. Okay. If y is a positive real number, then the least possible value of k divided by 4y plus 9y is how much? So it is a very beautiful question because there is a quadratic equation and then there is a concept of arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So both the concepts will be revised here. Let's start this question. First of all, for no real roots, your discriminant is always negative. And what is discriminant? For no real roots, your discriminant is a negative number. Correct? Discriminant, that is d. You must have heard of this in the quadratic equation chapter. D is negative. Now, also, we know what is d. D is b square minus 4ac. Let's simplify the quadratic equation given to us. The quadratic equation is like this. So I'm just expanding the brackets now. It would be a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 2xk plus 11 equal to 0. And I can simplify it like x square plus x common 2k minus 2 plus 12 equal to 0. So this is my quadratic equation given in the question format. Now I have to find what is b and what is abc. So quadratic equation is written in this format. Something like, hold on, okay, yeah. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is how we will write the quadratic equation. When we compare what is a equals to 1, b equals to 2k minus 2 and c equals to 12. I hope you have covered this chapter and now it is just a revision part. All right. So when I have to find the discriminant, I will just plug the value. It is our quadratic. Let's find the d value. Oh, sorry. I have written d equals to 0. D is a negative number. Yeah. So d is what? D is b square minus 4ac. My b is 2k minus 2, b square minus 4ac. So when I simplify this thing, I can take 2 common and the square of 2 would be 4. I will be left with k minus 1 whole square minus 48. Yeah. I can take 4 common. It would be k minus 1 whole square minus 12. And this factor must be less than 0 or negative. So there is no use of 4. I can just write the bracket part and that should be negative number. I can say it is k minus 1 whole square is less than 12. All right. So there is a beautiful concept of inequalities here. I can see there is an inequality concept and I can rewrite 12 something like this. Now it is what? It is something a square is less than b square. The chapter is inequalities. A square is less than b square. And when you are arriving at this condition, the next step must be what? That your a lies between minus b and plus b. Inequality chapter it is. So I will apply the same fundamental here. So my k minus 1 lies between minus root 12 and plus root 12. I will add 1 on both sides. Yeah, so root 12 can be written to root 3. It is a common thing to do. All right, now I have to find this value of k. And because k is the largest integer, so I have to make some approximation. You should know the fundamentals. Root 2 is how much? 1.414. Root 3, 1.73. Root 5, 2.21. And root 7, 2.64. So these, some of the prime numbers, the root of the prime numbers, you should know this thing. So if I plug root 3 value, that is 1.73 here. So it is 2 into 1.73, 3.6, 3.46. Yeah, 3.46 plus 1, 4.46 something. And it is 1 minus 3. Minus 2.46. So your k lies between these two numbers. And because k is the largest integer, so what is the largest integer? That is less than 4.4, which is equal to 4. So first of all, we find the value of k, that is 4. Now, the first two lines, will give us the value of k, that is 4. Now the last part that we have to find this value k by 4y plus k by 9y. Here I can see there is a concept of arithmetic mean and geometric mean, and which is only applied in a positive real numbers. So for positive real numbers, arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean. It is also in the chapter inequalities, and very important topic of that chapter. Now, how can you find arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean of, let's say, 3 numbers. It is the average of 3 numbers, a plus b plus c divided by 3. If you have 4 numbers, you divide by 4. Similarly, geometric mean of 3 numbers can be found when you multiply these 3 numbers and whole raised to the power cube root of 3. Oh, sorry, I can just say cube root. Yeah. If there are 4 numbers, I will do power of 1 by 4. If there are 3 numbers, I will do cube root. 2 numbers, square root. Yeah. So how can I find the arithmetic mean of the given equation k by 4y plus 9y? So it would be k by 4y plus k by 9y, whole thing divided by 2, because there are 2 quantities. Similarly, geometric mean of the same would be, I have to multiply these 2 numbers, and because there are 2 numbers, I will do square root. So I can see there is y is getting cancelled out. Square root of 9 would be 3, and 4, it would be 2, and there is a root k. So I'll just apply this fundamental, that is arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. So arithmetic mean is this, it must be greater than geometric mean. And because I find the value of k, I just substitute it here. So k value is 4, it is root 4, and the right hand side will become 3. When I cross multiply it, it would be 6. So the answer is 6, and the minimum value is also 6. I hope it is clear, and it is a very beautiful question. And I hope that your concepts of quadratic and inequalities are revised by this particular question. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.